Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you some skincare products that I've been loving, and these products have worked really well for my skin. It has helped me improve my skin so much over the past few months. My skin used to be really dull, lifeless, and it did not have any glow. So the products that I'm going to talk about in this video have helped bring back the life into my skin. It has added glow and it has also improved the texture of my skin. All of these skincare items are like repurchases. I have talked about most of them in the past. For some of the products I've gone through like many bottles, and all of them are available on Amazon. I'll have all the links in the description box. So if you want to know what are the skincare products that I keep repurchasing from Amazon, please keep on watching. So the first product that I want to talk about is this sunscreen by Requel. So I was using this particular tube and it's completely over. So I got myself a new one. So I got a second tube of this, and this one is oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen, and it is also broad spectrum. That is, it gives both UVA and UVB protection. It has PA triple plus, and it also has SPF 50. So I had previously talked about this, and that time I had not used this one much, but after going through like a complete tube of this, I can safely say that this is my favorite sunscreen. It works really well for my skin. It doesn't have any white cast, and usually sunscreens tend to be really greasy and oily, and I just can't keep them on my face, but I had no problem using this one. It worked really well for me. So if you're looking for a nice sunscreen, definitely try this one. The next product that I have been loving is this 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA chemical peel by Minimalist, and it looks like this. Comes in a glass bottle with a dropper. I use this religiously once a week for 2 months, and it showed amazing results. This basically is a chemical exfoliant, and it is supposed to remove all the dead skin cells and blackheads, whiteheads and all of that from the skin. It worked really well for me. It removed the dullness from my skin and added a very nice glow. I could see a remarkable change. I was sharing this product with my mother, so I only have this much left, and I'll definitely repurchase this if this one gets over. And right now I'm giving it a break. I have not used this for a month. Products with active ingredients might work differently for different people. Your skin will react differently to a product like this. So a patch test is a must, and but if this one works for you, it's going to give you the most amazing soft and glowy baby skin. So if you want to try a chemical exfoliant, you can definitely try this. Moving on to the face pack that I have been using. So this one is the Dot & Key Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask with matcha tea and tamanu oil. I had shown this in a video previously. This is how the product looks like. Comes in a tub like this. This is my second tub. I have been loving this product. It adds like an instant brightness to the skin, and it also makes it glowy and fresh. I really like the way it makes my skin feel. It has a thick clay-like consistency, you can see here. Since I'm on a break from the chemical peel, I've been using this particular product. I also use this once a week, and I really love the way it makes my skin feel. The next two products are my absolute favorites. So I got the Dot & Key Water Drench Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. This one is enriched with acai berry and Bulgarian rose. Then I also got the Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel plus probiotics, kombucha and fermented rice water. So both of these I have repurchased. I actually have a complete review on both of these products along with the green clay mask on my channel. I'll link it above. You can check them out. So I'll show you the products. It comes in this kind of a packaging, and when you open it, you get a bottle like this with a dropper, and this is how the product looks like. So the first bottle of the 3 products that I'm showing from Dot & Key was sent by the brand, and I love them so much that I went ahead and repurchased all of them. So this one I use religiously every night like a serum, and I just take a few drops and I warm it up between my fingers and massage it all over my face. It just instantly hydrates my skin and gives it like a dewy radiance, and it removes dullness. It just feels so good on the skin. It makes my skin look healthy, like I've had a lot of water and gotten a lot of sleep. Like I mentioned before, you can actually check out my complete review on this product, and so I've been loving this product. I use the hyaluronic serum along with this hydrating gel with probiotics. So this one also comes in a similar tub like this. I use this product after using the serum, and it makes my skin feel like velvet, and I love using this. It hydrates the skin but doesn't make it too oily or too greasy. It's just perfect, and actually both of these products also work really well for dry skin. I know that because my mother has really dry skin and she loves these equally. She uses a little more of the products. I actually take a really small amount and apply it all over my face, and it actually makes my skin like velvet. I don't know, I really like the way it makes my skin feel. Skincare, according to me, is not only about ingredients, it is also about how a particular product makes your skin feel. So all of these products make my skin feel amazing, and hence I'm recommending them to you. Let me know if they have worked for you or not, since all of these products might work differently for different people. So if you have used any of these before, kindly let me know in the comments how these products have performed for you. Then moving on to something that I always recommend in I think all of my skincare videos. So the product that I was talking about is this Jeju Aloe Gel from the Face Shop. It is the most refreshing aloe vera gel that I've tried. I have gone through like so many tubs of this, and I use this religiously every day whenever I feel that my skin needs a little bit of hydration. It soothes the skin and makes it feel hydrated and fresh. I have talked about this so many times. So it comes in a clear gel like this, and it smells really nice. This is something that I have backups of because I never want to run out of this product. So if you're looking for a good aloe vera gel, definitely try this one. Coming to the last product, this one is actually a new purchase. It's the Minimalist 0.3% retinol plus Q10. I don't really know what Q10 stands for. I actually wanted to try a retinol serum since a long time, and since I've used 3-4 products from Minimalist and they have worked really well for me, I thought of giving this one a try. I haven't yet used this, but this is how the bottle looks like. Comes in a dark glass bottle like this. I think it's to keep the product safe from sunlight. So you're supposed to use this on a cleansed face before applying moisturizer. So you can use the serum and then top it off with a moisturizer, and you're also supposed to use this 2 to 3 times a week, not more than that I suppose. And in case you use this during the day, a sunscreen is highly recommended. I think you should always use products with active ingredients during the night, because products with active ingredients can make your skin photosensitive. So if you're not using a really nice sunscreen, then that might just be a big problem. So it's always good to use products with active ingredients during the night. So this is the retinol serum. Retinol brings youth back to the skin. It has anti-aging benefits. It also brightens dull skin. I'll just show you how it looks. It's like runny, watery yellow solution. So I haven't used this product yet, so I can't comment on that. but I'll definitely try it and let you guys know how this one works. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked the products that I recommended in this video. Let me know if you've used these before and if they have worked for you or not. I'll make sure to link all of them in the description box, so do check that out, and I'll also have the links to my social media in the description box. If you like this video, then I'm sure you're going to love other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here, and that is it. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.